Good morning, dear students. Welcome you back to English language class. Today, we are going to discuss, first of all, the homework that was notice and email writing from test paper 2. So, hope this is revision only going on, you know very well. We have already completed, I have already discussed how to score the maximum marks in notice and email writing. Hope you all have written by following those steps, and now you will confirm. Okay. So here, first of all, I would like to remind you of some important tips. That here topic for writing email and notice is same. Email and notice are not asked to write on different topics. These both are interrelated. So be careful. Before you start writing, please concentrate and understand whatever question is given. Okay. So here your school is organizing an inter-school, just a minute, let me see what's there. This is test paper 2, it was test paper 2. Yeah. So the Residents Welfare Association, RWA, of your colony is organizing a health checkup camp for the residents of the area. So write a notice to be put up outside the RWA office, informing them about the event and asking them to submit a form if they wish to get their health checkup done. Okay, this is the notice. So first of all, creative title. You have to be careful. It must be your own creation. If you copy from somewhere, you will not get 1 mark. You know, this is 1 mark. And try to write it in one word if it is possible. Okay. Don't make it very long. And you have to show your creativity here. So here, what may be the creative title here? What I can give you? Healthomania. Okay. Healthomania. This is mine, but you must have your own. You know very well. Second one, name of the event. So name of the event, again it contains 1 mark. Here again you have to show your creativity. You have to add 1 or 2 words from own side at the beginning of the name of the event. You cannot copy from the question exactly given. Okay. You cannot write only health checkup camp. Here I give you suppose Lady Florence health checkup camp. Okay. Lady Florence health checkup camp. You have got 2 marks. Now third is there, date. How will you write date? You have to be careful. The date of the event must be the date which falls 10 to 15 days after the date you are writing your notice. If you are writing your notice on 8th of February, the date of the event will be 18th of February, means 10 days, 18th. If you say 15, then 23rd of February 2021. So I take 10 days, so 18th February 2021. Okay. Then means you have got 2.5 marks you have got. Next point is for timing. As you are writing timing here, so be very careful. You must write dot after A and M, or P or and M. Okay. Suppose 8 A dot M dot. Okay, if you don't give M dot, it will be M. It will be completely wrong. Either you may write capital letter or small letter. It will do. It is accepted. But you must write dot after A and after M. AM. Okay, you know very well. AM stands for antemeridium and PM stands for post meridian. You know very well. So suppose 8 A dot M dot 2. If you write here 2 P dot M dot. Okay. Or if you write exactly 12, then it will be noon. Be careful. I mean, it is even 1 minute past. Then 12 1 P dot M dot. Okay. Now, so 1 mark for creative title, 1 mark for name of the event, 2 mark, half mark for date, 2.5 mark, and again half mark for timing. Okay, 3 marks. 3 marks. 1 for date of the event, 1 for creative title, 2 that is for name of the event, and half and half for date and time. 2 and 3, yeah, 3. Next is the venue. Venue contains 2 points. A small place, then big place. A small, comma, big place. You'll get 1 mark. So here, RWA, office, Residence Welfare Association office, comma, McCluskey-Ganj. You get 1 mark. 4 marks you have got. Now next is there final lines. So in final line, you will just put there 2 points. First, who are eligible, means eligibility, and second, what to do. Okay. So here you have to be careful not to write very lengthy way. Don't write very long, because you are not going to get more than 1 mark here. So if it's possible, complete in only 1 sentence. Okay. So here, who are eligible? All the residents of McCluskey-Ganj who are interested, or all the interested residents of McCluskey-Ganj are requested to register their names with the secretary of RWA. Okay, on or before 18th of February 2021. In this way, you have got 1 mark. To be very careful, registered with, enroll their names with. Okay, give their name to. Preposition must be correct. If there is any mistake, you will not get full mark at all. Okay, so be very careful. Now let's come to the email. So here, write an email to the managing director of a hospital in your area, requesting him or her to send a team of doctors to conduct the health checkup camp. So first of all, you are writing email address of the person you are writing to. So here, please don't use personal email ID. Okay, use professional. So here, managing director, so MD, LFH, means Lady Florence Hospital. It's the name of the hospital. At gmail.com. So here, don't use capital letter. Okay. Don't use few letter capital, few letter small. It cannot be used in email address. Write 1 dot just before com or org. Okay. Cannot use many points there in the email. Only 1 point. Clear? So here, half mark you have got. To write correct email address. Second, write subject. The subject here, request to send a team of doctors to conduct the Lady Florence health checkup camp. Okay. Now again you have got half mark. For 2 points, half mark we have got. For 2 points we have got 1 mark, half mark each. Now your third point again, that is salutation. Dear sir, comma. Dear or dear ma'am or madam, comma. You cannot write dear sir oblique madam. Okay. Neither can you write respected sir, respected madam. It's clear. Then come to the opening lines. Opening lines must be very short. Okay. Here, just write why you're writing the email. Your purpose of writing email. So we are the Residents Welfare Association are delighted to announce that we are going to organize Lady Florence Health Checkup Camp. Okay, that's it. That's it for opening line. Change the para. Write now details of the event. Means again from your notice. It will be exactly whatever you have in the notice. As a date, it is going to be organized on 18th of February 2021 from 8 am to 12 noon in the RWA Muskegon office. Okay. Then again change the para. Though you are writing very short, but you must change the paragraph. Okay, you are not writing unnecessarily and lengthy way, because only you will get 5 marks here. But you must write in paragraphs. So now after that you will write what to do. Okay, you are humbly requested. You are humbly requested to send a team of doctors to conduct the camp or conduct the health camp. Okay. Your favorable action will be highly appreciated. Then write a few facilities. Okay. Vehicle will reach your place to pick up your doctors at 7 am. Lunch will be provided here for your doctor. Okay. Now again change paragraph, write closing line. Okay, end line as anticipating a positive response. Okay, comma. Or you may write full stop also. If you don't write thanking you, then you have to write comma. Otherwise, you have to write full stop. So you are using thanking you. So write there full stop. Then again change paragraph. Just give a space and then write thanking you, comma. Then subscription, that is yours faithfully. Yours Y will be capital, and in yours there will be no apostrophe. YOURS only. Okay. In faithfully, F will be small letter. You know very well. Then after faithfully there will be comma. Then write your complete name as Ramesh Sinha, not only Ramesh. Then designation. Suppose Secretary of RWA Muskegon. That. In this way, you have got 5 marks. And how is the mark distribution? 6 points means email address, then subject, salutation, opening line, closing lines, and subscription. So here 6 points means 3 marks, and 2 marks is for body, expression, and language there. Okay, so 5 marks. So hope you have matched your answer with the answer that I have given you, and you have corrected yourself. Please check yourself regularly how much you are scoring, and you'll get to know. You get to know your performance. Okay. So thank you. You've enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. Bye bye.